Story time. Emma's Lost Balloon. Emma is 8 years old. She loves balloons. Today, Emma's dad buys her a big red balloon. Emma is very happy. "Thank you, Dad," she says, smiling. She holds the balloon tightly. Emma and her dad walk to the park. The park is full of children. Some are playing football, some are eating ice cream, and some are running. Emma runs to the swings. She ties her balloon to the swing and starts swinging high. "Look, Dad, I'm flying!" she shouts. But suddenly, the wind blows. Whoosh! The balloon unties from the swing. "Oh no, my balloon!" Emma cries. The red balloon flies up, up, and up into the sky. Emma looks at her dad. "What can we do?" she asks. Her dad smiles. "Let's follow it," he says. Emma and her dad start running. They run through the park. The balloon is high in the sky. It moves slowly with the wind. They pass a playground. A boy on the slide points up. "There is your balloon," he says. Emma waves at him. They run past a small lake. Ducks are swimming in the water. Emma sees the balloon in the distance. "It's near the big tree," she shouts. Emma and her dad run to the tree. The balloon is stuck on a branch. Emma looks worried. "How can we get it down?" she asks. Her dad finds a long stick. "I will try," he says. He carefully pushes the branch. The balloon comes loose and floats down. Emma catches it quickly. "I got it," she says, laughing. Her dad hugs her. "Good job, Emma." They walk home together. Emma holds the balloon tightly this time. She smiles and says, "This was the best adventure ever."